Hey guys, in today's video we'll be looking at basic rules for solving simple equations and also take some examples. First and foremost, let us see what an equation is. An equation is a mathematical statement that shows that one expression is equal to another. Note, not all mathematical statements are equations, some are expressions. An equation is different from an expression because an equation consists of the equality sign, the equal sign, but an expression does not. For example, we have x plus 5. This is an expression. Why 2x minus 3 equal to 7 is an equation. You can see that it's an equal sign in the second example. Now, to solve an equation, consider it like a balance, like a scale, and whatever you do to the left hand side must be done to the right hand side. Now, to solve an equation, we'll be using the balanced method of solving an equation. And using the balanced method, whatever you do to the left hand side must be done to the right hand side so that the scale can be balanced. Now, to solve this equation, x plus 5 equal to 8. For x to stand alone, all you need to do is to subtract 5 from both sides, because addition, the opposite of addition is subtraction. So the 5 has plus there. So to remove the 5 is to subtract 5 from both sides. And when you do that, you have x plus 5 minus 5 equal to 8 minus 5. And that gives us x equal to 3. Okay, now let's take some examples. We're going to begin with some basic examples. Okay, now let's say we have x plus 4 equal to 9. Remember, this is an equation. Whatever you do to the left hand side must be done to the right hand side. We have x plus 5. What will you add to 5 to 4 to give you 9? Is 5. So x is equal to 5, as you can see. Now, how do you solve this? Remember, addition is removed by subtraction. So you subtract 4 from both sides. As you can see, when you do that, our x will be equal to 5. So 4 cancel 4, we have 5. So our x is equal to 5. And let's take a similar example. X plus 7 equal to 11. Now what will you add to 7 to give you 11? To do that, you subtract those sides by 7. That is the opposite of addition. Okay, when you do that, the 7 cancels 7, our x is equal to 4. As you can see, is equal to 4. Now let's verify. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Let's take another similar example. X minus 5 is equal to 6. Now, to cancel out the minus 5, you add 5 to both sides, which is the opposite of subtraction. So you add 5 to both sides. When you do that, it's as simple as that. The 5, is cancelled by the other 5. So you add 5 to both sides, you're going to have the 5 cancel the 5. So our x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 6 equal to 6, verified. As simple as that. Now let's take another similar example. X minus 8 is equal to 9. Now you can pause the video and try this one out. So x minus 8 equal to 9. What do you do? The negative of plus minus 8 is plus 8. So add 8 to both sides. When you do that, you know, the 8 cancelling 8, our x is equal to 17. As simple as that. That is our answer. Okay. Now we'll take another example. 5 minus x equal to 7. 5 minus s equal to 7. Now what do you do? Remember, there is a positive sign in front of the 5 that you can see. So subtract 5 from both sides, okay? There's a positive sign in front of the 5. So 5, you know, cancelling 5, gone. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down the negative x, okay? Now, to remove the minus, you multiply both sides by a negative. You multiply both sides by a negative, okay? Alright, so you can see, so negative times negative gives you plus x equal to minus 2. So our x is equal to minus 2. As simple as that. Now let's verify. You can put the minus 2 in place of the x there. When you do that, you're going to have 5 minus open bracket minus 2 equal to 7. Now negative times negative gives us positive. Plus 2 equal to 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. You can see our answer is correct. Perfect. Now let's take a similar example. 4 minus s equal to 3. You can pause the video and try this one out. Now we subtract 4 from both sides because there's a positive sign in front of the 4. 4 cancelling 4. Okay, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Bring it down to negative x. Multiply both sides by negative. You have our answer x equal to 1. Because minus times minus is plus. S is equal to 1. As simple as that. Okay. Now, let's take an example. 3s, another example. 3s equal to 24. Remember, the opposite of multiplication is division. 3 is multiplying x in this example. So to solve this, you actually divide both sides by 3. When you do that, 3 cancel 3. Our x is equal to 8 because 3 into 24 is 8. So 3, let's verify. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. So you can see that our answer is correct. Let's take another similar example. 5x equal to 35. As usual, divide both sides by 5. Our x is equal to 7. As you can see, cancel out. We do that, our x is equal to 7. You can verify. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. As simple as that. You can see our answers very clearly. Now let's take an example more. X over 4 equal to 5. Now what divides x to give you 5? You can see the opposite of division is multiplication. Okay, so what we do is to multiply both sides by 4, knowing fully well that the opposite of division is multiplication. So 4 times x over 4 equal to 4 times 5. 4 cancel out 4. Our x will be equal to 20. As you can see, 5 times 4 is 20. Now to verify this, a simple 20 over 4 is equal to 5. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.